Carbon monoxide. Explaining formation and properties of carbon monoxide. When carbon or carbon compound is burnt in an inadequate supply of air, carbon monoxide is formed. 2C plus O2 gives 2CO, that is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. This gas is colorless and odorless. It is slightly thinner than air and is insoluble in water. When inhaled, it causes dizziness, nausea, and unconsciousness. It readily combines with hemoglobin molecules in the blood, thereby preventing them from carrying oxygen to all parts of the body. This may result in death.